Shoutout kita.
Oh.
Wait lang.
Ay, mga klase natin dati.
Shoutout ko si brother na Miguel. Bale, classmate ko siya dati ng second year. No, St. Francis. Okay. Bro, baka may siya shoutout ka.
Las Piñas City Supreme Eagles Club, NCR 103, saka sa buong Pasquilans Council of Las Piñas City.
Okay. Shoutout kay brother. Ay, ride safe. Salamat sa pag-avail dito sa Motorcycle City ng Honda ADB 160. Ingat palagi.
Thank you.
So this video, meron tayong release na Honda ADB 160 Corer Black 2024 model, SRP 166,900 pesos. Available to sa cash and financing. For cash, 166,900 plus 2.5 for 3 years LTO. For financing naman, pwede tayo mag-online application through Facebook page na Kirby Motovlog and Viber na 0995-728-3654. Requirements for employee or local employee, 2 valid ID, proof of billing, 1 month payslip, and company ID. For business, 2 valid ID, proof of billing, business permit, or barangay permit. Yung client natin, dati nating classmate, si Brother Miguel, for financing siya, bali ang down payment yan is 25,100. Kasi ang work niya, work from home. Pag work from home naman, ang requirements, 2 valid ID, proof of billing, contract, and 3 months back statement if saan pumapasok ang sahod. And pakita ko sa inyo yung store location namin. Visit lang kayo guys.
Okay, store location natin, Motorcycle City, Las Piñas, malapit sa SM South Mall. Pag galing po kayong SM South Mall, right side. Pag galing sa Pote, left side, bago mag SM South Mall. Visit lang kayo dito guys. Hanapin mo lang po si Kirby Motovlog. See you soon.